Pete, how come you're always the one jacking this thing up? I mean, oh, hey, Dave.
Dave's the one.
No, he ain't. Look at.
Well, it was all you there.
I love these aluminum heads painted orange. That was my idea. Everybody here hates it. Hello, Phil. Why do you hate it, Phil? We're hiding the high performance. How many horsepower is this thing, Dave?
425.
Is that good, Phil? Is that right? What are you doing on the camera? You're not running. Get to work. Hi, April. Good morning.
Hi, April.
Like what? She's right there.
Hi, April. Hey, Brian, what are you doing?
What is Brian doing? Brian's filling out his new application. What are you doing?
Fuel injection Pontiac.
Nice.
He's doing a nice job we sold.
Oh boy. Oh, listen to Phil try to take credit again.
Nice job we sold.
Did you see the wheels on this thing? How many inch rims are those things? 18s?
17.
Those are sharp, man. Those are not cheap, are they, Phil?
No. But they look really
Speaking
nice.
of cheap, how you doing, Dave? This thing is cool.
Everybody's a comedian.
It's only today. Only when we're watching you work. Phil, is this what you do now for a living?
No, only when it's required.
I'm just asking.
Only when required.
What do we need Murph for? We got
Morning, April.
We had a meeting once upon a time where it said if there's something good, pick up your phone and video it.
Can you smile? It might get rid of your double chin.
Speaking of double chins, why don't you turn sideways?
I'll kick you in the chop.
We can have a double chin off and see who's this guy's
Listen,
figure.
shorty. We hate this place. What's Jeff doing? What's the Whittler doing? Oh, that's Johnny.
Hey.
What is Johnny doing?
Cleaning up the floor to get the sound deadener down.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Nice. Your hair's not tall enough today. Morning, Belfry.
Morning.
Very cool. What are you doing, Jeffrey? Oh,
Good. How you doing?
this is my favorite car. With my favorite person in the whole planet, Jeff.
Oh my.
Look how cool that is, huh? I'm not gonna show them underneath.
Hello.
Hello, Jeffrey. Cool, that is cool. Look at that. Oh, man, I love this car. All this video without Murphy. It's perfect. Good Lord.